Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I hope you get some of the idea about that middleware. So with this middleware, if you want to get that your requested method, protocol, host, URL, everything, if you want to get it, you can get it. Like right now, that is our one of the URL, right? That is one of the method. They have one of the method, what type of method if you want to get, and they have some of the HTTP. So that is one of the protocol, our host name as a local host, right? And that is our total URL. So if you want to get all that information data, you can get it. That means which API you are actually executed, it will be get all the data. Like if you want to do that work right now, that is a console log. Into the console log area, I want to display everything. Okay, like that is our all the request. So now with this request, I want to access that another method as a method. So if you declare this method, it will be get that which method is that. That means your requested method, it will be get it. Okay, and also if you want to get that with the console log, into the console log, and then our request. Okay, that is a request, and into this request, if you want to get that protocol, then you can also get it. That will be as a protocol. Okay, it will be get that our protocols. Right now we are using that HTTP, right? It will be get that our protocol. Great. And also if you want to get that your host name, you can also get it. Then that will be as a console, and then the console log, and then with the request. Okay, that is a request, and then you have to use that as a get method. Okay, into the get method area, here I want to get that our host name. Then that will be display our host name. And also if you want to get that our appropriate URL, then you have to write down as a console log. Into this console log area, I want to actually print everything. Okay, that is our request, that is a request, and requested another method as a original URL. Okay, that is a original URL. So with this method we can actually get this every data. Now if you want to check it in our console log area, I want to check everything. Okay, so if you want to check it, here I have already declared that our next, that means it will be executed for our all that route, that means all that our next middleware, right? Now if you click as a save all, and now I want our server is now running. Now I want to hit our this one. Okay, that means this one. Now click as a hit it. Now you can see it's now display as a hierarchy. And now if you go to our console, yes, you can see into the console it's now display that is one of the get method, that is our protocol as a HTTP, and then our host as a local host, and then our original URL as a slash. You can see that is our home slash, right? If you want to I want to run our post method, that is how I have already created. Another one is the logging, right? If you now click as a send it again, now it's display as a user logging successful. And now if you go to terminal again, now you can see it's now successfully get another information. So now it's get that our method name as a post, HTTP it's successfully getted, and that is our logging, that is our host name as a local host 3000 port, and our original URL, you can see it's now perfectly get that as a slash login, right? It's perfectly get that data, and also it's get that all that value. I hope friend you get some of the idea how middleware actually works. So most common and most usable example of for the middleware is if you want to privilege, that means if you want to add some of the privilege for a specific some of the URL, like the, a specific as a my site, okay, that or the my profile page. So my profile page, that is one of the URL. So if you want to protect that URL, you can protect it with this middleware. So middleware will be checked is that user is authenticated for access this URL or not. So with this middleware, you can protect this URL. So automatically this middleware will be checked user is authenticated to you access this my profile page or not, or any other page. If you want to add some of the restriction, you can actually manage everything with this middleware. So don't worry, laterly we will discuss more about it. Just simply understand step by step all process. I organize this course like that way. After end of this course, JavaScript will be fun for you. So friend, into this session I hope you get some of the idea about that Express.js. So together all that idea in our next video we'll create one of the simple project. How can do that work? I will show you everything with a live example. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.